Hello, my name is Anthony, and on behalf of myself and Craig and Teresa, we'd like to thank you for purchasing one of our little llamas here. These llamas can either stay as you've bought them, or you can undo them and make them up into a 3D model like this. This llama's got a slightly unusual stance. However, having llamas ourselves, they will stand like that when drinking or pooping, surprisingly enough. So we can just take our llama here and undo the wool, which starts just below the ears. So it's just a matter of teasing that out and undoing it. We want to take it all with us. So there's just a little slot under the ears that holds the wool in place. And then we can undo it. The way you undo it is similar to the way that we will put the wool on once we've made our model. So as you can see, we're using all natural product where possible, and this particular board is an MDF board from the packaging industry, so we are upcycling it rather than seeing it go to waste. You notice the numbers on here, 1 through to 4. We pick up number 1 and number 2. Now number 2's got an arrow on it which will slot into number 1 just like that. Then we pick up number 3, which also has an arrow on it, and that will slot in on the diagonal with the legs down so that they're orientated in the right place, and that goes on like that. And number 4 just goes in the opposite diagonal. You can see a little slot across there. This one may take a little bit of wiggling to get in, but once it's lined up, you can just press that in like that. Now we take our wool and we start around the front and cover up the bottom, and then basically in a figure 8 we cover the rest of the llama. You can take your time doing this to make a nice job of it. For the sake of the video, we'll go a little bit quicker and mightn't make it perfect, but it won't be too bad. And then around the neck, I might just go once more around there to cover that section. Up around there, around the neck. Llamas are very fluffy animals, so it doesn't matter that we've got a little bit of fluff. And then as we're coming up, we want to be able to see his smiley face, so we just sort of tease that out a wee bit, come up and then slot the last little bit through the ears here. You can tease it out a little bit and just slot that under the ears, and there we have our llama. Try to keep the face a little bit clear, and you can trim that up with scissors and things. Just having a little bit of trouble getting it long enough to slot in. But you'll end up with something like that. And you can trim the last little section off. So there's our little llama. We'd like to thank you once again, and we'd like you to check out the rest of our range, and if you have anything you'd like us to design, which we thoroughly enjoy doing, we'd like to talk to you. Thank you. Bye.